Now software has been downloaded. I will just go to the download folder where it has been downloaded. I'll double click on it and execute. Now here you can see it says Mendeley Desktop Setup Wizard. Just click on next. These are certain things which you have to read before you proceed ahead. That's a simple license agreement which we have to say I agree. In default, it will go to C program files Mendeley Desktop. This is the default path. If you want to change this path, you can always change it by clicking on browse, select the directory and say next. In this case, I will go for default path and I will click on next, and then I will create Mendeley Desktop. I will just click on install. Once it is done, make sure that you are opening the Mendeley Desktop, click on finish. Once it is installed properly, it will ask you the credential. You have to give the same credential which you had given at the time of installation and creation of an account. So here I will give my credential. If these credentials are valid, then system will download all the things which we have uploaded on the web version. Now here you can see the financial instrument folder has already come here, as this has been synced automatically. Now here in the first screen you can see whatever things are pre-installed, it is showing that it is already installed. So Mendeley Reference Management Manager is already installed. Here it is showing citation plugin for MS Word. It has not been installed. We will do it in a later part of this presentation. So I'll simply click on close. Now it will give some instruction, as we are new to this system. It will say how you can add and create the collection, how you can add and create the files, how you can store it, what kind of things you can do it. Certain instructions will come here. So just click on next and finally close it. Now first thing is, after configuring Mendeley Desktop, you have to create a collection. Once your collection is ready, you can start inserting files. When you are downloading something from online sources, it will allow you to drag and drop the files. The moment you are dropping the file, the system will automatically extract the metadata if it is downloaded from some commercial publishers or scholarly communications databases. Now you can click on add files. We have already downloaded few files here. So these are the files which I am going to select it. Select the files and click on open. The moment you are opening it, the system will automatically identify the metadata and it will fetch the records from the embedded metadata. So whatever data is provided by the publisher has already been fetched by the Mendeley system. Now this is shown as a table. If you want to change the look, you can click on view and select the citation style as a APA 6th edition, and then click on view library as a citation. The moment you are changing as a citation, you can see here all the resources are displayed in the form of citation. Now here you can click on any of the article. Once that article you are selecting, in the right panel you can see here this entire description is available for the selected article. So basically the system is in three parts. First is a left panel, this is the middle panel, and this is the right panel. The left panel has my library and filtering option. Middle panel is containing all the resources which we are entering, and the right panel will have a description about the selected resource. Now here I am selecting this resource. You can see here the type of document as a journal article. The system has already identified on its own. If it would have been some different, the system would have been identified as some different article or whatever may be. So here you can see these many type of documents can be extracted automatically. Now this is the title of an article and this is the author. If multiple authors are there, the system will display all the authors. In case any problem is there in extracting the system, you can see here, you can always change the values given here. Now if you think everything is okay, you can just simply click here and say things are fine, don't do anything. Now once you download or once you upload all the files and folders, whatever may be, just you have a look at it whether things what you have downloaded are coming or extracted properly or not. There are chances that because of some typographical error, certain things may not appear properly, so that thing has to be rectified from our side manually. Now second option is you can create a manual entry. Now assume that things are not available online. You are referring to some old book which is published way back and that is not available online anywhere. So you have to enter it manually. The moment you are clicking on add manual entry, the system will show a pop-up. Just here select a thing which you would like to enter. I will select book. The title of the book is Indexing Languages. Source देखो, but year of publication is 1969, total 370 pages, 69 pages. These are certain fields which you may enter if you have all the details. Abstract you can put, tags you can put. If it is edition, you can mention the edition, city name. The moment you are through with the entry, just click on save button. Once it is saved, you can see here the data entry is done properly. Here you can see these are the files which we had uploaded. That means you have access to soft copy. This is the book, we don't have soft copy, therefore it will not be displayed here. If you think that there are certain options, certain articles which are relevant to your topic and you may be referring it frequently, those can be marked as a favorite. So here you can mark this article as a favorite. So these are the favorite articles, as and when I want to refer this, I can refer it. Now we will move to the next option. Here you can select any article and you can see there are three options available. Details, these are the details about a publication. Second is a notes. Here you can create the notes. Now suppose, assume that you are doing a literature review. If you want to access the file, associated file along with metadata, just double click on this. It will, within the Mendeley, it will open up in the another window. You can have a look at this. You can read the abstract, read the entire article, and you can mention here the certain things which are mentioned in the article. Suppose if you are doing the literature review, you can write it according to computer science plays important role in economic theory. This is the just simple note which I would like to add it here. Later on this can be accessed as and when I want. This is called annotation. If I wanted to highlight some text here, when I am reading this article, it is possible that there are certain topics which may be eye-catchy and I would like to highlight it. Just select the text and click on highlight option. Now this will be saved in the local file. Once you access it again, same thing will be displayed here. Now next is a content. Now you can see here the system has identified on its own from the file that this has an introduction and other topics. So if you would like to refer to a particular topic, just click here, you will be redirected to the particular section of the document.